Coming to a fresh hell near you, it's Kenny is a Wonky.
Oompa, oompa, Kenny makes poop, then tells a lie that it's good for you.
The scam that is Kenny Wonky.
Faking videos cause he is a fraud, then tries to tell you this crap is from God.
All fake, all day.
That's what you get when you're huffing the crack, showing your ass like an elephant's back.
It's Scam-Malicious.
Who in the hell would invest in this mess, rigging your videos and saying they're tests? Oh, I don't like the look of it. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Dim screens and dim-witted.
Oompa, oompa, Kenny's a lie, slurs and he spits cause his gums are all dry. You can buy this mud, folks, if you want to, then your screen will suck like Kenny Poop too. Oh yeah. Kenny Poop too.
Kenny Wonky, the candy man of scams. Hey guys, Danny here at Partay. So we're going to start again with one of Ken Bird's lies. This was a snapshot of one of my screens that he was showing, saying that it wasn't black, it was actually gray and was washed out. But when you look at the actual image, now this is just a snapshot from the video, you can see that's not what my screen looked like. And there's a comparison of what he showed up top versus what it actually looks like at the bottom. But Ken, that's what you do, right? And see, you showed yours, but look at yours. It's in a much darker environment. We know this because you've shown us what the environment lux is in that room. Roughly in the high point where you had it on the arm of the sofa there, about 36 lux or less. Here we're at 11.6. Here we're at 16.7. So all less than roughly 30 lux that would be at your screen. Now, you were very proud of this image. You were talking about all the colors and how great it looked. Well, let's zoom in and see what that really looks like. So this is yours. Now look at yours versus mine. Now I'm going to show you the video in a minute, and I'll show you that it is 30 lux of light. But you can look at how blasted out that is. Versus look at that color. Look at that, Ken. Isn't that beautiful? Something you can't achieve. Now here's the video. And I'll show you. This is in roughly about 32 to 34 lux of light. It kind of vacillated back and forth. But just so you can see it. Sweet stuff. Look at the color. Oh, and by the way, this is the Vega Plus screen that I was telling everybody about in Silence video. It's actually 3/4 of a step down from Polaris. So it's like a quarter step in shade above Vega Plus. Just a customized screen for my taste. But you can see here, there's 32.4 to 6. So that's the lux. That's how unwell lit your videos are being recorded in that bowling alley that you use there, Ken. But you can see mine looks amazing. Let me use that. Amazing. Amazing images. And you can see the clarity. Look at the clarity. See that area by the tree there where the light's coming through? All you can see in yours is just a big white blob. You can't see the other detail. You can't see the other colors of the leaves. You can't see the things that were flowing around, the different colors of them. They all look like it was snowing white snow, where these are like particles and butterflies. Just couldn't see that on yours. But I've come to expect that's what you do, Ken. That's all you do. You lie. Consistently, you lie. And why is that? Well, you were talking earlier about Crow becoming a decent human being. Well, first of all, for you to become a decent human being, you would need to get off your lazy ass, quit being a bum, and go get a job. Quit sucking off society with some bogus illness, hanging around in your house piddling with pain all day long. Why don't you go get a real man's job? Something where you can actually make some real money. And you don't want to have to turn a lick, do you? You know, you might get a little sweat on your brow there, wuss. I mean, you are the biggest pansy I've ever come across out here. Walking around, talking about kicking people in their neck. You're the only one who's talked about all the violent stuff. But here's another one. Now, this is my pride and joy. Look at that screen. That's beautiful. But I'm going to show you this little cat that you see over to the right, not the one to the left, but the cat over to the right. I'm going to show you something there, Ken, in just a few. But if you ever want to become a decent human being, that's what you need to do, Ken, because you can't do this. Okay? You suck at this. But that's really not the point, is it? You're not trying to be good at this. You're just trying to sell as much as you can of this bogus crap to try to supplement your income. That's all you've done, 12 years. You brag about being out there 12 years. Here's my question. Businesses either grow or disappear. Now, you can sit out there and linger forever because it don't cost you much to be on YouTube. It's free, right? But where's the growth? You have actually shrunk, probably in many places, but you've shrunk in your business just in the years that I've been out here, which is about 3.5 or so. You've not grown. No growth. Partay has grown, and we're going to continue to grow. There's no way in hell I'm going to stay out here 12 years and still be mixing my own paint in my basement. For one, I don't use paint, not a drop of paint in my formulas. But secondly, I wouldn't stand down there mixing that stuff all day after 12 years by myself. If I can't afford to hire people to do that for me by that time, way before that time, I'm thinking, we've already had employees before COVID hit. We're going to have them again. But there's you. Look at that bottom one. See how the color is just completely gone. Sad bird, sad.